sure hope this is working. Because if it's not, I'm in big trouble. We're currently deleting all the, what are they? Directory listing indexes that were auto-generated by either the archive team or Yahoo GeoCities. Because they were static and we need them to be dynamic. A bit more load on the server, but I can regenerate them later probably. Yep, this is going to take a while. I never like running that command. I've put everything inside quotes because I couldn't get it to run the way I wanted it to. And since I'm just hacking together other people's code, I did a test run first and it seemed to be okay. There was one error, I removed that. And now it's going through and doing the rest. Yikes. We'll cut back. And we're done. I just ran a quick search on no such file or directory. That was a nice keyword earlier. We loop back around. That's when it last happened, which was a while back. I was on the test run. So that's fantastic. We have now deleted a whole bunch of indexes. I'm guessing what might have happened with these ones. Sensual Dragon 666. Let's go up a little bit more, whereas something a bit more normal. Bedlam, there we go. Okay, so it doesn't have the example I was looking for. That's fine, I just saw one, it's gone. These guys. So these things on the end here, which you may or may not be able to see depending on how bad this video comes out, seem to be to do with when the data was originally harvested by archive team. It might have generated these on the server when certain folders were accessed that weren't normally accessed perhaps, which resulted in a whole bunch of directory listings I didn't want. So they're gone now. If I have a look here, we have the current state of everything. Messy. And here's what it was before. And it doesn't look, it's up, hasn't updated yet. Nope, we'll cut back again. All right, so here's the before. So what are we looking at? Well, for starters, the very first folder on the left there, core, that contains the neighborhoods, things such as Athens, Silicon Valley, Area 51. They all live in there. There's about 40 odd. And they're the main part of GeoCities. We then have decompressed, which contains things that I've decompressed but haven't put into core. And then on from there we have merge testing. This is where I'm trying to sort out case sensitivity issues, where you might have an Athens folder and an Athens folder. If you couldn't tell, one of those had a capital A at the beginning, the other did not. From there we've got the Yahoo IDs, which are users essentially. People stored their files there. I hope you were paying attention to the items in each directory. We managed to delete approximately 220,000 static server-generated index files. And as you can see, this is quite complicated. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. Well, it's still the weekend, so I hope everyone has a good time out there. Oh, the README files to remind me of the things I need to do next in case I forget. Yeah, it's pretty cool. McRetro out. Do 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 do.